Mexico City, Mexico's vibrant capital city, offers an exciting mix of rich history, stunning architecture and diverse cultural heritage. Located in the heart of the country, this bustling metropolis is a must-visit destination for travelers looking for an exciting and unforgettable experience. Mexico City's scenery is truly spectacular. Set in a valley surrounded by majestic mountains, the city boasts some of the most beautiful views. From the famous Chapultepec Park to the historic Socalo Square, visitors can explore many sites that showcase the architectural beauty and historical significance of the city. Tourism in Mexico City thrives with countless attractions and activities. History buffs can immerse themselves in ancient civilizations at famous sites such as Teotihuacan and Templo Mayor. Art lovers can explore world-class museums such as the Frida Kahlo Museum and the National Museum of Anthropology. Foodies can enjoy mouthwatering dishes ranging from street tacos to gourmet meals. For those seeking outdoor adventure, Mexico City provides ample opportunities for exploration. The city is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes, including the breathtaking pyramids of Teotihuacan and the picturesque Xochimilco canals, where visitors can take a colorful boat ride. With its rich history, diverse culture and countless attractions, Mexico City has rightfully earned its place as one of the best places to visit in Mexico. Whether you're interested in history, art, food or simply soaking up the unique energy of this metropolis, a trip to Mexico City promises an unforgettable experience.